So, andito tayo sa Avida Towers, Chino Roces in Makati to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit. Avida Towers, San Lorenzo, along Chino Roces Avenue, Makati City. Malapit po tayo sa Greenbelt and sa Walter Mart and Don Bosco. So this is around 38 square meters. 1 bedroom. Check natin siya. So ito yung pinaka kwarto niya. Meron tayong cabinet. And ang view niya is ayan po. Parang pocket garden yung view niya. And then, meron siyang laundry area. Ayan, may sampayan na rin. So, ito yung pinaka living and dining area niya. Third floor lang po tayo. Ayan. Facing ano siya, Makati. Ayan. Don Bosco, Chino Roces. And then kitchen niya, over and under cabinets. And then ito yung bathroom niya. Maluwag naman. So may mga improvements na siya. Like mga cabinets. So it looks like natirhan po siya. So as you can see, the unit is actually livable status. May mga improvements lang siya, like mga built-in cabinets sa kwarto, sa living and dining area. Wala akong nakikitang masyadong repairs na kailangan dito, but might as well pa-assess niyo po siya sa engineer or architect niyo po. Siguro ito lang, itong lagayan ng aircon. Ayan, nag-leak na yung water dyan. Kaya medyo nasira na yung pintura niya. Kailangan siya ng repainting. But overall, maayos pa siya. And ang kagandahan sa unit na to, meron po siyang kasamang parking. Located po sa ground level lang. Covered parking sa Tower 2. And this is as is where is upon turnover. This is around 7.6 million. And this unit comes with a parking space. This is available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So again, if you are interested to make an offer or bid and schedule a property showing, please message us directly.